This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this amazing 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home in North Bossier. This home features an open floor plan with formal dining room, fireplace and wet bar in living room, in-ground pool with diving board and slide, covered patio, outside storage building. Garage has an extra room in it that could be used as a small workshop. Close to shopping, BAFB, I-20, I-220. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.